All right, so it says consider the piecewise function, plot f of x on a graph. So again, we're just going to use Desmos. I start off with the domain restriction first. So the first domain restriction is x is less than or equal to -3, colon, then put it in my function, which is just the constant 3, comma, next part of the piecewise function, domain restriction is -3, less than x, less than 4, colon, then put in my function, which is 2x plus 1, comma. Next domain restriction, x is greater than or equal to 4, okay? Colon, and then another constant, -2. So there's the whole kit and caboodle. I got to zoom out a little bit. Closing brackets, zoom out to get the whole function in there. And let me take a screenshot of that. Now, the last thing that we got to do, because Desmos doesn't do this, is we got to label the closed and open circles. So when we look at this, my closed circles are going to occur where you see an equal sign, all right? So because that has an equal sign, I'm going to put a closed circle right here. So this function right here is f of x is equal to a +3, right? That's a horizontal line at 3. That's a closed circle. Now this function, no equal signs. So this is going to be an open circle on this boundary and an open circle on this boundary. And then lastly, the -2. So this part of the function is 2x plus 1, right? Crosses right here at 1. And then over here, this is f of x equals -2. So these are all part of f of x, but because it has this equal sign in that portion, that's going to be the closed circle. Okay? Now, I know I'm going to erase this because I know somebody's going to look at this and go, oh, yeah, I got to put a dot there. No, you don't have to put a dot there. I'm just letting you know that I know that this function is 2x plus 1 because it has a slope of 2 and it crosses the y-axis at 1. Okay? So that's how you graph that one.